You see that? Gusto niyo ba pencil sharpener, guys? Hi everyone! Welcome to my fab. And it's the weekend today. We're gonna gala again to here in Dubai Hills Mall. I think this is probably our favorite mall now. Because basically, it's like Dubai Mall but less crowded. So anyways, come with us to our day. Nag-order po kami ng kape. Yee! Thank you. We're here na naman. Back to school. Go shop na here, guys. They have, I don't know if they still have the 30% off ba? Not sure, pero yeah. Go shop! This was the bag I used in the video, and I really want it so bad. Ah! Ano kaya meron dito? La! Ako yan, no? Wait. Hey. I want this. Guys, I'm so surprised how affordable this is. Dito na ako magbibili ng mga stationaries. There's red tags, you know what that means. May sale sila, guys. Should I buy or not?
Dali, pag may nagustuhan ako, pili kita.
Talaga ba?
Yep.
Hindi gamit pera ko, ah. Gusto niyo ba pencil sharpener, guys? Funny story. Nung bata ako, I think I was 4 years old. Pencil sharpener ko yung finger ko. Oh, no!
Ano nangyari? Nasugatan ka.
Yeah, tas nilagyan ako ng ng parang liquid na medicine ng sakit-sakit. So now, we're just walking hanggang mahilo kami. Nag-shopping. Actually, no, it was window shopping kami sa Flying Tiger. We're at how do you pronounce it, mommy? Gian's to buy water. Yes. Hi guys. Now we're at City Center Terra. Mall hopping kami, opo. So for lunch, we're gonna try this new restaurant na, kailan ba nakabukas? 2 days ago? 3 days ago. Here's my very guapo daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Wow! Face card never decline. O, saan ako nagmana, guys? Sa kanya?
Kamukha talaga kita, no?
Can you see that na, guys? We're almost there. Here it is! Ah! So we have atay. Girl, the atay is so good. You know why? I didn't like expect it to taste like a bit sweet. I would say it's not, hindi siya yung raw na atay eh. May something in it na nagiging sweet siya. Hindi naman yung sweet na parang, sobra-sobra. Pero it gives flavor to it na, di ka masusuya sa atay. Kasi usually kapag atay, diba, yung texture niya, tas sometimes walang lasa, masusuya tayo about that. Ito hindi. And then they have pasut, guys. What's this?
Apan-apan.
Apan. Oh yeah, I smell the... Why does it smell like bagoong?
Yeah.
Bagoong. Okay.
Try.
For all those who don't know, mahilig po ako sa bagoong. try mo. Si daddy hindi kumakain ng bagoong. Only with kare-kare daw. Ah, tas may chili sila, guys.
Try mo nga, try mo nga.
Wait. Siyempre, kasama dapat chicken. Okay, chicken.
Diba? Namin, patay na.
Oh.
Yung atay talaga, guys.
So,
Sarap.
yung
Tapos may kasamang
close
ano na,
tayo sa
kalamansi.
pinasal na.
Bihira na po yung may mga kalamansi sa mga Filipino restaurants right now. Ang sabaw nila, ano to, parang what?
Pambulalo.
Ulalo.
Yeah, it's like bulalo. Anato oil ba yan, mami?
Yeah.
I haven't tried it with anato oil, guys.
Hindi.
Anato oil.
Paano?
Sa pakpak na.
Kumakain lang ako.
Wait.
Wala nang bumanat na ito.
Ang sarap. Parang may kalasa siya pero di ko ma-point out kung ano yun.
Hanapin.
We also got ano guys, a la carte na chicken. Sarap niya in fairness. Kailangan guys, if you're gonna order here, kailangan may atay din guys kasi sobrang worth it. Yung combo, if you eat this with the atay, solve ka talaga. What does atay give you?
Maganda. Taas ang vitamins nito.
It's good for your atay. Masarap yung sili and I enjoy eating the sili kasi when you bite into it, may lasa ng konti. Oh, it's hard to explain guys. Then may kasama din silang soft drinks. But if you're on a diet and if you want a la carte, it's okay. Like a la carte na chicken, tas liver,
Yeah.
pwede.
Pwede. Okay siya sa akin. Wala masyadong ate. Alam mo na. Masyadong, di ba?
Yun. Parang marinated
Masyadong dry.
kaya
Ito
yan.
hindi dry.
Oo nga, no?
So, we're done eating na. What can you
Fine.
say?
Very good.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever tried an inasal like that. To be honest, it's like,
Ako na-miss ko.
mm,
Like, yun yung na-miss ko talaga yung quality of chicken and asal. So, at least now we have it here in Dubai.
yes!
Yay!
Punta na kayo guys! Sige na! Nandito na naman tayo! What do we do when we're in a mall? Check for Beverly Hills. Meron kaya? Ah! There is! Doon sa dulo! You see that? Ah! Bili na po kayo!
Bili na kayo.
Bye!
See you! Make your family a blessing!